Tell me in what way biotechnology can be applied for forestry. If you are selected, how would you apply your knowledge of biotechnology? For how generally at some stage, maybe not immediately.
So the primary applications of biotechnology would come in terms of the technologies that are brought about by it, such as the genetic sequencing technology or the genetic, which allows us to basically monitor the genomes of the wildlife which is available in the forest, and that can help us understand if there is any problem or if there is an inbreeding or depression of certain, as is being seen in the Simlipal Tiger Reserve. Secondly, sir, we could experiment with...
What was the problem in Simlipal?
Sir, in Simlipal Tiger Reserve, we saw that there were an increase in the melanistic tiger populations that was seen, and that is said to be attributed to inbreeding amongst the tiger populations inside. So they would require more genetic stock from other tigers of the country to rescue that. So the second would be to experiment with the idea of GM, genetically modified trees if possible.
Yeah.
And it is a very contentious territory because we do not want modifications there. But if that could lead to increase in the yields of trees without affecting them in a negative manner, then it could be used. It could also be implied in the field of forensics, and if any investigation is to be made regarding poaching of animals. So I think those things could be the most important applications, sir.
What about tissue culture?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir, I missed that point. Tissue culture is also a very important aspect, especially when we want to have, let's say, clonal orchards, or we want to replicate a particular elite tree in the forest area. So then we could use the idea of tissue culture, sir.